Welcome to Salesforce in 100 seconds, helping you grasp Salesforce concepts in record time. Duplicate rules are an out-of-the-box feature in Salesforce that allow the administrator to control which records are considered duplicates. Duplicate rules can be applied on most standard and custom objects. One of the most common use cases for duplicate rules is preventing duplicate account records based on account name. This duplicate rule compares accounts to other account records, looking for an exact duplicate of the account name field. Another common use is comparing leads and contacts with the exact same email address. This duplicate rule can actually compare data from two separate objects to look for duplicates, making it highly flexible for Salesforce admins. Duplicate rules can even be configured to allow certain users to create duplicates or base their duplicate criteria on exact or fuzzy logic, and deliver a unique custom error message that explains exactly how the end user should resolve the issue. Duplicate rules also control the potential duplicates component on Lightning record pages, so they are critical to set up in every org. By enforcing consistency and accuracy in data entry, duplicate rules reduce data redundancy, improve data quality, and enhance the overall user experience. This helps prevent costly errors, streamline business processes, and ultimately leading to better decision-making and improved customer relationships. Thanks for watching.